Every day I go home after work. The road is long, but I don't mind. I use the time to practice my English. I carry my bag. I walk slowly. I look at the sky and smile. Sometimes the sun is strong. Sometimes clouds hide the light. But I always walk, step by step. On my way, I see people. Some people walk fast. Some people talk on the phone. Some people just look tired. I like to say hello. I say it many times. Hello to the old man by the gate. Hello to the kids playing football. They smile and wave. I wave back. Sometimes I say, "Good afternoon." People smile at me. Some say, "Hi." Some just nod. I don't mind. I am practicing. I speak loud and clear. I try not to be shy. It helps me. It makes me happy. I wave at the woman selling bananas. She always says, "How are you?" I say, "I'm good, thank you." Then I ask, "How are you?" She laughs and says, "Busy." We both laugh. I like short conversations. They are easy. They build my confidence. I meet a man with a dog. The dog is big but kind. The man says, "Say hello to Max." I smile and say, "Hello, Max." Max wags his tail. I feel proud. Every day is different. Some days, people talk more. Some days, people are quiet. But I still speak. I still wave. I pass a small shop. The shopkeeper sees me. He says, "Welcome back." I say, "Thank you." Sometimes I buy a cold drink. I say, "One bottle, please." He gives it and says, "Enjoy." I say, "Have a nice day." It's all part of the practice. I talk to a boy with headphones. He doesn't hear me at first. I wave. He removes his headphones. I say, "Hello." He says, "Hello, sir." We smile. I see an old woman. She walks slowly with a cane. I say, "Good evening." She says, "Good evening, child." I feel warm inside. I feel connected. Some people ask questions. "Where are you going?" I say, "I'm going home." They say, "Okay, have a safe trip." I say, "Thank you." Sometimes people ask, "Why do you speak English?" I say, "I want to learn." They smile and say, "Good job." All these moments help me. They help me learn. They help me grow. I wave at people across the street. They wave back. It feels good. It feels friendly. I pass a bakery. The smell is sweet. I greet the baker. He says, "Do you want bread?" I say, "No, thank you. maybe tomorrow. He laughs and says, okay. I smile and walk on. Every hello makes me better. Every wave makes me stronger. Every small talk is practice. I repeat the words. I hear new words. I learn greetings. I learn kindness. Sometimes I make mistakes. I say good night in the afternoon. People laugh. I laugh too. We correct it together. That's how I learn. One day, I forgot how to say, I'm fine. I said, I'm okay-ish. The man laughed and said, nice word. It became a joke. Now we say, okay-ish every day. Language is fun. Mistakes are part of the journey. I enjoy the journey. I wave at a group of students. They wave and say, hey. I say, hey, how was school? They say, tiring. I nod and say, rest well. They smile. I smile. I pass a quiet street. No people, no cars. I still speak. I say, hello, trees. Hello, wind. Hello, sky. It sounds silly, but it's good for my English. The trees don't mind. The wind listens. Sometimes I imagine conversations. I say, hi, how are you? Then I answer as the other person. I'm great, thank you. Then I laugh alone. I practice words. I practice rhythm. I reach the corner near my house. There is a bench. Old men sit there and talk. I greet them. They smile and joke. One says, are you speaking English again? I say, yes, every day. They laugh and say, good. I sit with them sometimes. We talk about football. We talk about the weather. We talk about life. I use simple words. They use simple words. We enjoy the talk. This is my daily journey. It's not fast. It's not loud. It's peaceful. It's helpful. My steps teach me. My greetings help me. My waves connect me. I go home. I open the door. I say, hello, home. My home says nothing, but I still practice. I speak English. I learn. Tomorrow, I will walk again. I will say more hellos. I will wave again. I will make new mistakes. I will learn new lessons. And I will grow, because every small moment, every hello, every smile is a step in my English journey. Monday, a busy day for everyone. Monday comes in loud. It pushes the weekend away. Sunday was soft. Monday is strong. Sunday gave hugs. Monday gives alarms. The sun wakes up early. It shines in the sky. Birds sing. Dogs bark. People groan. Eyes open. Some people smile. Some people cry. Some hit the snooze button again and again. People go to school. They carry bags and books. They say, "Good morning." Some students are still sleepy. Teachers write on the board. Students write in notebooks. Some write on desks. Some don't write at all. People work on farms. They wear hats. They talk to animals. They run after chickens. They plant seeds. They water plants. They pull out weeds. They hope for rain. People check their cars. Some cars start. Some cars don't. They fix tires, clean windows, talk to engines. Please work today. People go to offices. They wear shirts. Some wear ties. Some wear slippers on Zoom. They sit at desks, type emails, drink coffee, try to listen in meetings. The boss says, "Let's work hard." The worker says, "Yes." The brain says, "Let's nap." Doctors wear white coats. They walk fast, talk fast, think fast. Nurses carry medicine. They smile. They say, "Just a small injection." The patient says, "Liar." Cooks chop onions. They cry, not because they're sad, because onions are strong. They fry, boil, and bake. They shout, "Order up!" Waiters run fast. Food flies to tables. Scientists wear goggles. They mix liquids. Sometimes it bubbles. Sometimes it explodes. They say, "Interesting," even when the table is on fire. They write notes. They forget lunch. Artists paint pictures. Some paint faces. Some paint feelings. Some paint bananas. They look at the wall, look at the sky, look at their coffee, then say, "I have an idea." Firefighters clean trucks, check hoses, slide down poles, wait for a call. The bell rings, they go fast. Not with wings, with wheels. They stop fires, save cats, smile like heroes. Pilots wear uniforms. They walk with style. They say, "This is your captain." Passengers say, "Please fly safe." Planes fly. Clouds wave. Babies cry. Snacks disappear. Programmers type code. They drink coffee. They forget sleep. They talk to computers. Computer says, "Error." Programmer says, "Why?" Computer says, "Because I can." Mechanics fix things. Cars, bikes, even broken hearts. They smell like oil. They say, try it now. Machine says, still broken. Mechanic hits it gently. Machine says, okay. Lawyers wear suits. They speak big words. They say, objection, even when ordering lunch. They read books, write papers, argue with style, win with logic. Factory workers press buttons. Machines move. Lights blink. Things are made. They wear helmets, wear gloves, wear tired smiles. They help the world go round. Astronauts float in space. They eat space food, sleep in bags, look at Earth and say, wow. They fix satellites, wave at aliens, miss pizza. Musicians play music. Guitars sing. Drums shout. Microphones dance. Crowds jump. Lights flash. Sounds boom. Monday becomes a concert. Bank tellers count money. They smile. They say, next, please. Customer says, where's my money? They explain numbers, stamp papers, give receipts, keep secrets. Thieves look around. They wear black. They whisper. They tiptoe. They say, quick. They say, oops, wrong house. Police says, gotcha. Thief says, I was just walking. Police says, with a TV? Yogis stretch and breathe. They say, Om. They stay calm. Monday tries to stress them. Yogis say, not today. They bend like noodles. They smile like sunshine. Students go home. They open books. They close books. They open TikTok. They say, I'll study later. Later says, I'm tired. Homework cries alone. The sun goes down. The moon comes up. People go home. Some sleep. Some scroll. Some eat. Some dream. Monday says, I'm done. Tuesday says, hello. People say, already? Final words. Monday is busy. Monday is loud. Monday is funny. Monday is life. But remember, Monday is a new chance to learn, to laugh, to live. So wear your smile, drink your tea, and say, let's go Monday.